AI for building a resume means a lot. Made me a huge difference, which I can tell. People will be thinking about AI, but will not even know what exactly AI does and what exactly the result we will get out of AI. I think this course has helped me a lot in at least start using AI. Thank no B10X for this changing my way of working, I can say.
Hi Raghavendra, this is Aman here, and I am very glad to have you. Raghavendra, please tell us a little bit about yourself.
Basically, I think I'm a mechanical engineer with 13 years of experience. So I'm basically into like no manufacturing division. I'm working for almost 13 years in MNC companies. So with my current role, I'm working for almost 8.5 years. So I'll be handling both design and manufacturing engineering. So when I say design, it is purely the product design, what I do with the softwares, 3D modeling softwares and detailing and analysis. And when it comes to manufacturing engineering role as a role, which is a new product development projects which I handle from starting to end. When I say starting to end, which will be like now starting from concept building, which will be done in my design phase and continuing with that. So building a process to manufacture that might be internally or externally, working with the vendors or internally getting the STEM process capabilities improved. Okay, if there is anything need to be done, and might be like no the setting up a new process, the new process will be developed for that particular thing to manufacture. And when I overall where like okay, I'll be starting with my concept and making the complete product manufactured and handing over to the next phase where it will go to the customer end. So okay, my role start from concept design till the time like the product will reaching to my customer. Okay, rest of the things will be taken care by product management. So with this, I have almost 8.5 years of experience over here, and then moving back, in my previous role I worked in a product engineering role. So which is holding like 3.5 years, and before to that it is 1 year. So as I told, like I'm a bachelor in engineering, bachelor's in mechanical engineering. Then I am doing even my master's now currently. So wherein my I need to complete it. It is about to complete the degree.
Oh, nice, Raghavendra. So I can see that you are very experienced. You mentioned that you have 13 years of experience.
Yes, 13 years
Oh,
of.
that's very nice. That's very nice. So, how did you hear about our mastery program, and what did you feel would be useful for you? I mean, what did you hear about it? What did you think it would be useful for you?
So okay, I was just going through Instagram reels, and I came across Aditya Kachave's videos. Okay, it's not that okay. I just got his video immediately. I just joined this. It is somewhere like okay. I used to go through his video for many months. I can say like around 5 to 6 months. Then I
Okay.
thought of no, let's give a try. Then I just went on and attended the masterclass. So where it seems to be interesting, using my AI tools into the many things which I never aware of it. Okay, even though I know ChatGPT and other AI tools which can be used in our industries, but I never used it to the extent it's supposed to. But when I went with the masterclass and getting into the classes, then I start using ChatGPT. Literally, if I ask me like today, I most of the things I'll put it into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perfectly anything, any all AI tools. So when it comes to my career role and no changing as a the change what I got right now, wherein like okay, for past 5 years I was looking for a job, for to be frank. So wherein like I never used to crack my first round and move into the next. No, in nowhere I would have attended like 10, 15 interviews, and nowhere I got into a second round. Wherein this role this role what I got into what I got selected, what the change I did when I compared my previous way of working and right now. So I used my AI to build my starting from Naukri profile. You see, imagine like okay, putting my right headlights, the right professional summary, and the right responsibility skill set, starting from that level and building my LinkedIn profile and building my own resume. So when I put it my resume, so what I mean, going again job specific resumes, wherein like putting my resume into AI and getting back the responses. Might be like okay, I would have put the same things before I start using AI, but the words or the feel what I used to get when reading through the resume which I got from the points which I put it in my resume, it's completely different and attractive. So it would have been the same sentence, same points which I would have put, but it in a different way. And even that one thing, the other thing, the putting my making my customized resume, which actually suits with a job profile. what I mean, job specific, job description specific, anything on that. So it has given me the very good, no, updated, customized resume with the very good points which can attract the, I think which would have attracted my new team, the people who interviewed me. That what I feel is a difference, major difference what I did. And going by beyond that, I started using the PPT making within no, like very minimum time, and even the many things which got no, adopted into my current role, even in my role which I'm doing right now. I feel like okay, going with using my resume. I mean, the AI for building a resume means a lot. Made me a huge difference, which I can tell.
True, true. Like you just mentioned, you've been trying for a change for 5 years, and you were able to achieve a change right now. So, could you tell us how long have you been B10X and in the mastery program?
I think it is just 2 months. I mean, I think 2 months I joined this program, and okay, I could not able to know. I'm not able to implement the most of the things which I'm learning, but at least few things which I learned, it gave me a result. So that's what I feel. So well, I know, even not only I am doing, I am just suggesting the same thing to all my friends who are badly looking for a job, and no doubt like okay, I'm using the same methodology for my wife.
Oh, that's amazing to hear. That's amazing to hear. It was amazing that what years of hard work could not do, 2 months of using the right tools were able to
Agree.
get that to you. It was absolutely amazing to hear.
Agree.
So what other advice would you have for people who are in similar position to you with respect to AIs and with respect to joining our course? First with respect to AI, then with respect to joining our course.
See, basically, like, okay, when it comes to AI, see, basically, like, everyone knows about AI. Everyone knows about AI. What is okay? They'll know artificial intelligence, but exactly what exactly AI, we don't know. Many people will not be okay. I'm okay. I'm thinking about my perspective with my circle of people. People will be thinking about AI, but will not even know what exactly AI does and what exactly the result we'll get out of AI. But mainly, like, when we start using AI, the tools, it might be chat, you can use the no the basic tool like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, that will give a lot of like no changes in what you are doing. And you can, I mean, you don't believe like okay, a regular job, like I mean, no, if I want to tell, even I'm putting my medical report into that and I'm getting the feedback of feedback, and it gives us so structured no diet plan, even from the diet plan, and what recommendation, what is going beyond your limit, what is out of limit, what you need to improve, what you need to do. So that kind of no clear plan, if whether if ChatGPT is giving. So I think we don't even know like to what extent it can help us. So might be that one thing which I can definitely recommend to any of the people will be who don't know about AI in depth. So start using it. Start using it. That way, I think okay. I didn't know like how to use. At least the main is how to use. Put a prompt. How to put a prompt. So that's under like I just learned with this course. What I can say. So in that way, I think this course has helped me a lot in at least start using AI. Even I'm not telling like I'm using full AI in my life. At least I can say 10 to 15 percentage of options what I'm using. So might be I still remaining with 85 percentage. That's what I feel. I started using with this tool, and that's what I feel. It's a great opportunity from B10X. I would thank no B10X for this changing my way of working, I can say.
Raghavendra, you inspire us all. Also, so I would like to sort of count things here. So it has helped you make your Naukri profile. It has helped you make your LinkedIn profile. It has helped you with your interview preparation. It
Right.
has also helped you to get a new job. It has also helped you with your medical reports. What are your future plans with AI?
So I think, see, now I'm thinking this is the starting. So I
Mhm.
can just go to the next level and no, see, I can even what I see. I'm not used to that extent of like no, it is to be. But what I even I've seen even for the stock management, if you want to work on the trading and other things. So even that with the right prompt, you will get a right report of analysis of the each and every stocks. Even I've tried it. Okay, I just gone through it and even I tried it to some extent. I'm not using it right now. So let me. I need to explore that. I mean, to that extent, you can use no AI. That's what I feel. Regular work, even regular. See, sometimes if you are, I mean, sometimes I would have stuck with some projects thing and managing something, managing conflict. I'll try to I'll put it in AI and I'll get a information. Or might be like I cannot use everything, but at least I'll get some idea like how I can just okay, I can how I can do something differently than what I'm doing right now. That is to that extent. I mean, I don't think like without AI we can. I know without AI we'll be surviving in the future. I can say.
So you mentioned that you use AI for a lot of work stuff, for a lot of team management stuff. So is there anything that you use AI for in your personal life, apart from the medical report also that you mentioned? Anything else that you use AI for in your personal life?
See, basically, when it comes to personal life, might be the personal. I mean, the person. My, I not use it to. Okay, I need to. I never thought about it. I need to use this.
You mentioned the diet thing.
Sorry. Yeah, dieting. See, basically, I'm following the one thing. Okay, when you told like it is apart from medical report, it gave me a diet. You don't believe. I started. I changed my routine. I started waking up early in the morning and because I something some report has gone in a different way and it suggested me to go
Mhm.
for a walk and other things. I started change my way of routine and I started going for a walk in the morning. To some extent, I know change my diet plan and you don't believe, okay, there was a drastic change which I made for almost
Oh,
15 days.
that's
It's just a
that's
recent story I'm telling. It's not that no a very old story. Even my diet I got changed in the way it just proposed me. Okay, whether it is good or bad, obviously that will not be a bad thing which is proposed. It's a very good thing which is proposed, and I'm just following blindly.
that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. How much do you feel have you unlocked the power of AI?
See,
5%, 10%, 20%. What do you
that
feel?
I feel like no 15 to 20% is what I can say because I have a lot more things to explore for sure. So with this 15 to 20% I got a lot of things. So let's
Uh-huh.
see like okay going in depth because I'm not using the in depth that's what I feel still.
Mhm. Mhm.
So and again like I feel like I would have used this well before. I mean no a long time back but so I didn't get a chance at least to someone like no to my feed me okay this is what you wanted to do at least somehow it's not no today later than I mean
Ah,
than
it's
later.
it's 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 whenever you make up, it's morning that at right that time. So
Uh,
so it's always best that whenever we use it, whenever we start. So
right.
Raghavendra, it was absolutely amazing talking to you. You've been an inspiration for all of us, and you also mentioned that you're also doing your masters. And would you like to would you like to tell me how would you like to use AI for that as well?
See, I mean, okay, now I'm almost done with my exams. When it comes to the project, maybe I'll use my AI for taking inputs. It's all like product development. It's I need to develop a new product into that. So might be there I can just use AI for starting for the phases because it has got multiple product life cycle phases. So might be each and every case. Mainly I can use it for reporting. So the very good thing. So what the best report what I can make out of it and the presentation for sure I can just give some input, and that's what I'm thinking of doing it. So let's see like how best I can use my AI.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So, to summarize, you've used AI for your work, you've used AI for your personal, you've also used AI for your education. I cannot think if any other fields also exist. So Raghavendra, it was really amazing having you. Thank you very much for your inspiration, for providing inspiration to all of us. It was really amazing.
And I think I just wanted to mention that I got no just a call on new one more opportunity. Let's see. I think let's go and no track that. I'll use my AI for that because
All
their requirements slightly different than what I faced till now. So definitely without AI I cannot do that. Let's see.
Oh, that's amazing, Raghavendra. All the very best from all of us, from the entire BTNX team, for your hopefully very positive news.
Thank you. Thank you.